It has come to my attention that Buster here doesn't have an emergency preparedness kit. Pack, what do we say about that?
Failing to plan is planning to fail, sir.
Right? So what are we going to do about this?
Help Buster, sir.
Right? Now get on it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we have the 1 week supply of food and fresh water. Medications. Buster needs his thyroid pills. We need copies of your vaccination and all other medical records. Information about your pet insurance policy, if you have one. And of course, you need those photos so your parents can help identify you in case you get separated. Microchips help with that too. Jones, don't forget to add the expiration date of the food and meds on the label. Buster is now prepared. Are you? Now, where is Fluffy? She needs a kit too.
Get on that.
You heard the captain. Get on it. Link in the description for more information. Please share.